Hi friends, I've been using this Qubo Bike Cam Pro for the past 1 year and I've uploaded a detailed video and a short video on this product on my channel. If you have not watched them, you can watch the videos by clicking the link above or you can find them in the description as well as in the first comment. I've been getting numerous queries regarding this product in the comment section and I've tried to answer most of them. I keep getting lot of queries repeatedly. I thought I'll compile all these questions in the form of an FAQ and make it as a video. So this video is going to be an FAQ of sort on this Bike Cam Pro. I've answered all the queries in detail. So please watch the video till the end. I hope you find this video useful. What is the charger to be used for this bike cam? You can use any standard charger which you use for your mobile phones. Is it required to keep the phone close to the camera for it to send the recording to the phone app? Yes, the mobile has to be connected to the Wi-Fi network called Bike Cam Pro. How do we know that the battery is fully charged and how much time does it take to fully charge the battery? It takes 5 to 6 hours to charge the battery fully. And once the charging is done, the blinking will stop and green light will be on. What is the warranty for the product? Warranty for the device is 1 year. Battery and cable warranty is for 6 months, but there is no warranty for the mount. Which micro SD is to be used? You can use any reputed micro SD card. They have recommended SD cards with a speed rating of class 10 or higher like C10, U3, V30, 4K UHD SD cards. I have used strontium and transient. Can we increase recording time beyond battery capacity? Or can you record while the bike is on the move? Or can you charge and record simultaneously? The answer to all these three is the same. When it is on the mount, you can connect a power bank through charging port and charge the battery to increase the recording time. I have not done it though. I'm not sure how convenient it is. Do we need a subscription plan? No, there is no need for a subscription plan. Where are the recordings? Recordings are in the memory card and not on any cloud. You can download by connecting the memory card to the laptop or you can download from the app. How to connect to Wi-Fi? Connect the camera to the power and then the camera shows up on the Wi-Fi list in your mobile. You can then connect to that. How does the camera get triggered or how does the recording start? I have mentioned in my videos that as you fix the camera on the mount, which is on the helmet, the recording starts. But this is how it works. The bottom of the camera has a switch which gets activated by the magnet which is present on the mount. So when the camera is fixed on the mount, the magnet triggers the camera and it starts recording. This detailed information was shared by a viewer Dipen Nisar in the comments. Thank you Dipen for sharing the info. Is there a way to record videos longer than 1 minute? By default, recordings are of 1 minute duration only, but you can download longer videos of up to 10 minutes from the app. Can this camera be used on another helmet? They provide only one mount. You need another mount to fit on another helmet. It is difficult to keep shifting from one helmet to another. How many hours of continuous recording with full charge is possible? From our usage experience, I think you can record between 4 to 5 hours in a single charge. For a continuous recording, what should be the memory card capacity? 32, 64, 128 GB, etc. We can use memory card up to 1 TB. 1 hour of recording approximately occupies 4 GB. The app has two options, videos that are trip based and those that are event based. These can be downloaded up to a length of maximum 10 minutes. Actually, the app gives videos in 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes, 7 minutes or 10 minute options. If you want a very long video, you can take 10-minute videos and you can combine into one long video of 1 hour, 2 hour, etc. by using a video editor. Is it legal to use a bike cam? Dash cams are used for our own safety and security. As long as it is used in public roads, I think it should not be a problem. Watch my detailed video on this product for reasons to have and use one. What is the cost of this Bike Cam Pro? We bought this for 3990 a year back. As of today, the price is still the same. I hope I've covered all the points and I've tried to clear all your doubts. In case you have any more doubts, please feel free to write to me and I'll try to answer in the best possible way.